Hello, hello! Today I will be sharing with you more tips on how to organize and the benefits of living a tidy lifestyle. Let's face it, we all hold on to more things than we really should. And don't get me wrong, I'm a very sentimental person myself, but I believe there are far more benefits and meaning behind only 50% of the items we own. Study shows that being neat, clean, and organized plays a very important role in our mental health and general well-being. Ever heard of the saying, tidy house, tidy mind? I promise you, this is true. Cleaning and organizing is a practice, not a project. Remember that maintenance is key. The first step is to identify the essentials and eliminate the rest. Don't get caught up in organizing your mess. Instead, open up your mind to eliminating what no longer serves you any happiness or purpose. Remember that your home is a living space, not a storage space. The more stuff you own, the more your stuff owns you. Happiness is appreciating and liking what you already have, instead of thinking about what you don't have. Now it's time for me to share with you a few ways that I try to eliminate clutter. In our kitchen, we hide our rubbish can behind a pull-out cabinet. Rubbish cans can be very big and bulky, and we find it more beneficial to keep it hidden to free up space in this area. In our garage, we utilize a cubicle storage. My children and I use this to store our sandals and our shoes. What I like about this is it prevents from shoes being all over the floor, and everyone has their own designated area. My husband, on the other hand, has his own shoe rack because his shoes are too bulky for this type of storage. The top area of closets easily get overcrowded with items, which can be really big eyesores. Well, to me at least it is. So I found these collapsible storage bins on Amazon, and I love it because it allows me to keep what I want, but store it away neatly. Another item I like to hide away are our tissue boxes. I store our tissue box in common used areas. For example, our nightstands. Nightstands alone don't have a lot of tabletop space, so I keep them in the drawer where it's still easily accessible. Another area I use tissue a lot is at my vanity where I do my hair and makeup. Believe it or not, I keep another box of tissue in my dresser, which is conveniently located right next to my vanity. All I did was create some space in my pants drawer so that when I'm sitting down at my vanity, it is right beside me. Obviously, this is more of my personal space. For more guest-friendly areas, I keep them out in the open, but of course with a nice cover. Hopefully some of my tips will help you guys out. I challenge you all to try and declutter at least one area of your home. And remember, you don't need more space, you need less stuff.